In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can create a Payoneer account that you can link to your PayPal account that enables you withdraw from your PayPal account straight to your local bank account instantly without any hitches, without any problem from PayPal or Payoneer. Now, if this is something that you're interested in, let's dive in. Now, visit www.payoneer.com. And once you're here, Payoneer is actually a platform that enables you to receive money from any part of the world, from any company. If you're a freelancer, if you're an individual that you do work for people outside of your country, Payoneer is one account that you can use to receive money. But unfortunately, it's not widely accepted the way PayPal is widely accepted. And that is why we're going to be creating this, having in mind that we're going to link it to our PayPal account. So I'm going to be showing you guys a trick that will allow you link it to your PayPal account successfully so that you can receive money from even a broader audience. Payoneer is going to pay you $25 if you use my link in the description to sign up. And of course, it's not going to be instant. You're going to be credited the $25 when you start using the Payoneer account. So when you want to register, make sure you use the link in the description so that you'll be able to receive the $25 that Payoneer pays you for creating the account using my link. So all you have to do is just click on this register button, and then you're going to see this option: freelancer or SMB, online seller, affiliate marketer. Even if you're an affiliate marketer or online seller, or you're a freelancer, I advise that you click this individual because that is what has worked for me. So here, let's find the right account for your needs. Please select the option that describes you the best. Okay, get paid by international clients or marketplaces, send and receive money between family and friends, order a prepaid card. So I'm going to go ahead and click this, get paid. So here we'll click on register. This is actually the account that we want. We'll click on register. So here it's going to give you an option whether you are an individual or a company. So even if you're a company, I still advise that you choose individual. I'm going to be telling you why shortly. So here, individual, then you go ahead and fill up this. So I'm going to go ahead and fill this up off screen and then click on next and show you the next page. So when you fill up your personal information, then your contact details, you're going to fill in your contact details here, and make sure you fill the right contact details, and make sure you fill in the right phone number that you can always get codes from. Okay, so again, I'm going to go ahead and fill this and show you guys the next page so that I don't waste your time. So here you fill in your password. Make sure you fill in password that you always remember, and then the secret question is where people miss it. Make sure your secret question, that you select a secret question that you always remember even when you're sleeping. So make sure you select it. I've seen a lot of people have issues with this. Please make sure you select a secret question that you will always remember. You know why I'm repeating this? Because a lot of people have had issue that their account was locked out, and then they ask them for the secret question and they can't remember the secret question, and then the account will be gone forever. So please make sure that you remember anything you're going to be selecting here. If you're going to forget, please, it's advisable that you write it down somewhere. I always advise that you have this note on your phone. It's always passworded, so you don't have any issue with intrusion, right? And for the ID, you have three options: national identity card, driving license, and your passport. So whichever one you have, it's going to work for you. So I'm going to go ahead and fill these things off screen and then show you the next page. So after filling the security page, and then here is the next page, please add a bank account for withdrawals that belongs to you or your company. And as you can see, this came out with my name and I can't edit it. This is why I said you should always make sure you put in the right name. Okay, make sure you put in the right name. Everything should be accurate so that you will not have any issues whatsoever. So here, if you have a USD bank account, you can always go ahead and choose the USD bank account. If you have your Nigerian bank account or Euro bank account, just go ahead and select that. So for the purpose of this training, I'm going to fill up my USD account because I want to be receiving my money in dollars. But if you don't have a USD account, no need to worry about that. You can always go ahead and use the account in your currency. No problem with that. It's not going to hurt your account in any way. So let me go ahead and fill this. Now I've completed the registration and they said they are going to get back to me in a few business days. Payoneer can be very tricky. If you don't follow these steps I'm going to share with you in this video, this should be like the last video you ever watch for Payoneer, because everything is going to be in this video. How you can verify your Payoneer account even if you don't have a means of identification. I'm going to share all these things with you in this video, so make sure that you watch the video complete. Don't skip any part so that you don't miss anything out. Please, a lot of people are fond of skipping things, like jumping. Okay, I've gotten this, let me jump, and then you're going to jump out of something, and then you come to comment section and start asking when you have encountered problem. And Payoneer is not like PayPal that you can always create multiple accounts. Payoneer, once you encounter any problem, you're stuck with that account. You can't create another account except you're going to create the account with a new name and new identity. So please, you don't want to experience that. Let's go ahead and check our email to confirm if they've sent something to us. So here is my email, and as you can see, your application to Payoneer is approved, and here you can see the application to Payoneer is under review. I think this came in first before this. And then please verify your email address. So let's quickly check the emails. Dear Charles Ayang, we are happy to let you know that we have approved your application for a Payoneer account. Ready to get started. Sign into your account now and start receiving payment from companies around the world. Your username is this. Over the next few weeks, we'll be in touch again with help information about getting paid, finding new clients, and withdrawing the money you've earned. If you have any questions, please contact us. Your customer ID is this. So ladies and gentlemen, you can see that it was verified instantly. So I'm going to go ahead and also check this mail. Okay, this is the first mail that I got. We are reviewing your application for a Payoneer account. It will take up to 3 business days. Once approved, we will send you an email and you can start receiving payments. Meanwhile, you can learn more about Payoneer's payment services by reading our FAQ. If you have any questions, please contact us. Your customer ID is blah blah blah. So this is the first email that I got before I got this one. So here they say I should verify my email address. So all I have to do is to just click here. Make sure you verify your email address. It's very important. Don't miss that part. So here my email address has been verified. So let's quickly log into my account and let me show you what to do. So here, when you log into your account is going to be totally blank, and then you can see let's go. It's not clickable, and you can't do anything here. Everything is just too blank. So the first thing you need to do is to click on update now. Then it's going to ask you security questions. Select new security questions below. We may ask you these questions to verify it's you. Approve account actions or help recover a lost password. So you're going to go ahead and select any question that you can easily remember. Select the question and answer them, and then click on change. So I'm going to quickly do that now. So once you finish updating the security questions, it's going to send a code to your email address. Please go ahead and check your email and get the code. So I've received the code. I'm going to copy the code here and come here and paste the code like this and click on submit, and now it's done. So all you have to now do is click on done. So now your account is all set up. So you click on let's go. So now you can see the let's go is now activated. A lot of people miss that part. Okay, so to verify your account, click on your profile picture here, and then you click on settings. Then on your settings, you click on verification center, and here you will see what is the problem. To avoid potential delays in accessing future payments, we need a few more details to verify your account. So here you click on submit. So here you see my verified information. We need additional information to continue processing your application. A government issued document that verifies your identity. Choose from one of the accepted IDs types for your country or region listed below. Tips to make sure your document will be approved. Make sure that your document contains your full name, a clear photo of your picture, your date of birth, the document number. Make sure the document is valid and contains up-to-date information, a clear and high-resolution photo or scan of the original document. We recommend taking a photo of the original document using your phone. Uncropped and showing document from edge to edge with no part obscured by camera flash. Please choose the country or region where your document was issued. So here you come here and choose your country, and then you select from either of these two. Unfortunately, they only have 2 options here, which is the passport and driver's license. So if you don't have any of this, you're going to find it difficult to verify your account, but you can still get your account number, but it's going to take a while before you get it. But this is a fast track to get your account number. You can always get your account number and get everything faster, right? So, but I advise that you verify so that everything will work smoothly for you. If you don't have a driver's license or if you don't have an international passport, I advise that you get a driver's license. Driver's license is easier to get than international passport these days if you're living in Nigeria. So all you have to do is just pay for it and then relax, and they will deliver it to you. If you're going to be working online and you're going to be working with lots of international companies, it's best that you have a means of identification. Please, unfortunately, as we live in Nigeria, a lot of things that the government are not getting right. A national ID card is not a valid ID card. Unfortunately, it's only valid locally. If you use it on paper, paper will reject it, and as you can see, Payoneer doesn't accept it as well because it doesn't have your date of birth. These are the things that the government are supposed to highlight on the national ID card so that it can be equivalent to either passport or driver's license. But it's unfortunate that we can't use that for international purposes. So now the only option we have is to either use a driver's license or a passport. But I have a solution for this. I've tried it for one of my clients and it worked. So what you're going to do if you don't have a passport or driver's license, what you're going to do is contact the support, let them know you don't have a driver's license or a passport, but you have your national ID card, which is valid in Nigeria. And then you attach your national ID card and your original birth certificate to prove your date of birth. And once you have this in that mail, go ahead and send it, and they're going to review it and confirm and then approve it. And if you don't have a birth certificate, I would advise that you go to a high court around you and get an affidavit confirming your date of birth. And even if you have a birth certificate, it's also okay just to, add an extra layer to be sure that you're going to get a positive response. If you can, also go and get the affidavits confirming your date of birth, attach everything together and send them the mail. You're going to get a response in a few hours, and sometimes in a couple of days you're going to get a response and your account will be fully activated. So this is the hack that I've used and it has worked. I've only used it once and it worked. I don't know if it's still working, but I would like you to try it and let me know in the comment section if it worked for you so that other people will know that it's working and then go try it out. So here I'm going to go ahead and fill up all this information and show you what comes up next. So go ahead and select your means of identification. So for my case, I'm going to be using a driver's license. Then I'm going to go ahead and click here and select. So now I have my driver's license. I'm going to go ahead and click on submit. So now I've submitted my driver's license. You say thank you for submitting the information we requested. If we require further related information, we will let you know. So here all the requirements have been submitted, so I'm going to go ahead and wait for their email and hoping to get a response. Then I'm going to share it with you guys. It's been a couple of hours, so I'm going to go ahead and check if we have been verified. Okay, so go to verification center and we'll go to history. You can see driver's license, yes, approved, date submitted, date requested. Yeah, it's approved. So it's approved, guys. So for you to access your international bank accounts, all you have to do is to click here and click on receiving accounts. And because you're a new account, you need to earn at least $15 or equivalent in other currencies to become eligible to request for your first receiving account. You need to do jobs and they pay you, and then once you get up to $50, then you'll be able to request for your first receiving account. They now started doing this because they want to verify and be sure that you are not just using the platform to receive money. They want to make sure that you're a freelancer or you're a business or something like that. So they want to make sure that you are who you said you are. So you have to receive money first before you can have access to that. In another video, I'm going to share with you how you can link your Payoneer account to your PayPal account and start withdrawing money with it. So go ahead and use the link in the description to sign up on Payoneer, register your account, and then start receiving money to your Payoneer account. And once you get your receiving account, you can then proceed to the next phase of adding it to your PayPal account. So if it's something that you would like to see, please subscribe to the channel and turn on your post notifications so that you'll be notified when I create that video and when I also create more awesome videos like this.